What electric matcha whisks work best for pop-up matcha drink stands? The best choices are rechargeable, waterproof, easy to clean, and powerful enough to create smooth foam quickly without taking up much space. For a pop-up matcha drink stand, choose a compact rechargeable whisk with a stainless steel whisk head, at least 2 speed settings, and enough battery life for a busy service period. A whisk with a removable head is especially useful because matcha powder can collect around the shaft and become difficult to remove. Look for a motor that can mix one serving in about 15 to 30 seconds without making the drink overly bubbly. A handheld milk frother can work, but a matcha-specific whisk usually produces a finer texture because its head is designed to break up small clumps. Use a small bowl or wide cup instead of a narrow bottle, since the whisk needs room to move and pull air into the liquid. Start with a little warm water and matcha. Whisk until it becomes a smooth paste, and then add the remaining water or milk. One useful detail is that very hot water can make matcha taste bitter, so aim for water that is warm but not boiling. Keep a second charged battery pack or backup whisk nearby, because a dead battery during a rush can stop service immediately. For hygiene, rinse the whisk head after every drink and sanitize it according to the manufacturer's instructions before storing it dry. A common mistake is choosing the strongest motor without checking cleanup, so pick a model with a removable, washable head. Another mistake is using the whisk directly in a full cup, which can cause splashing, so mix the matcha concentrate first and add the rest of the drink afterward. Some sellers also assume that rechargeable always means long-lasting, so test the whisk through a full service period and bring a backup power bank. Avoid models with exposed seams near the motor, because spilled matcha and milk can damage the handle and create a hygiene problem. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.